Yes.
So it should done be.
Yeah.
So we can pour the whole thing?
No, I'm only gonna pour that.
Why not?
Because I won't have to stay in here, so we can do our bomb.
Ooh, bomb. Howard's not allowed.
That's kind of loud.
What did that tell?
Or did you say it loud?
No, I think you said
How do you know the cow's gonna fit on there?
It's not.
Come up.
Oh my god, it's not gonna hit you all the way back there. Who's going back there?
It's not?
I know they were sitting, the girls are sitting right there, and they're like, oh, I'm gonna go ahead and sing all the way back here.
Well, this is taking forever.
I think it's more than half. Oh yeah, I was recording. So it's
See? Actually, no, it is about half.
Mr. Brent, can we drink it?
No.
Who would
Because you're
want to
allowed.
drink diet soda?
You can't drink things from a lab.
Oh wait, that is right.
You guys better back up.
Alright, so now this is just a little chamber to hold the Mentos in. You got a string that'll release them.
No, you're in a lab. You don't just from a lab.
Oh.
What if he reacts with the
How many are you putting in?
You should put a lot of it. Why aren't you asking all these?
Oh, I'm gonna move too.
Your name Jalen? No.
Yes.
Shut up. Who said from his name exam? Are you? Class is so fun. Kind of hard. We watch a Soul Surfer. Soul Surfer. Today? Yes. Haley, we watched Soul Surfer. What do we do? We already started watching that in her class.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Shayla. I'm sorry, Shayla.
Samir, pull your pants up. It is. My phone's like. No, your freaking crop is hanging out. Look, it brings it down. Okay, but hurry up.
Oh, you're right. It's explosive. What the hell is that?
Alright. So now, Alex, you're gonna pull a string?
Yes.
Okay, so remember, what did we do with the first reaction?
Run.
Why should this be less expansive?
I'm gonna try to catch you with my
We
mouth.
lost what? Good. Alright, go ahead, pull the string.
Whoa.
Oh, that was
Oh my
weak.
god.
Are you for real?
It feels like flow right there. Hit you in your face.
I hope not. That would be awful.
That was awesome.
Man,
That was a good
wow.
That's why we're supposed to follow directions and use 1 liter.
I've been videoing this for 3 minutes for
I
nothing.
told you not to video yet.
I took 3 hours for 3 minutes
I literally told her not to video yet.
I bet you did, then.
Yeah, I did.
Golly.
Yeah.
Can I put the lid on?
Yeah.
This? No, that's we're doing.
So what happened in there?
It's not gonna do anything. Because we took out all the carbonization.
There you go, give that right here.
Still just dump that.
No, I want to
So we put it in.
I'll show you
I
guys.
was gonna say
Take it.
I want to know about that.
The bottle was just too big. We had too much room. There wasn't enough pressure built there. That's why I asked you guys. 1, the bottle was too big, right? So we couldn't build up enough pressure. 2, I couldn't screw the cap on. So now, by adding the cap, we can build up more pressure. So now,
Back up.
hold straight and then walk away. You guys are going to want to back up.
Walk away.
I feel like that bitch gonna tip over, bro.
If I get wet, I'm not there.
The bottle.
I'm just gonna go home. It's gonna take a while. I want to get wet. You don't know what direction it's gonna take.
Jerk the ball. There you go. Now back away.
Hold on, that bitch might blow.
Yeah, what the heck happened to that?
There's a Mentos caught at the top. Watch. Go look. See? There it goes.
Are you for real?